Hello guys, this is a Kolkata KTM Park Street showroom, and today we are here to get my new KTM Duke 200 motorbike. Here are some paperwork which I have to sign, and once we're done we're ready to get the delivery. So let's go and have a look.
I'm craving hope in this darkness. You say I'm just a joke, just a joke. Shivers my spine so bad. Swimming in the river stakes too much. I'm trying to let go of us, but the truth is what's really on us. My darling, in fire. My darling, rose in fire. You're